One step 달려와줘 like a lila 나만 사랑한다고 가져왔던.
Hello beautiful people and welcome to Lip Balm Kiss TV. So let's get into this wig from Monstar official store on AliExpress. This wig is $83 y'all, and it is the perfect 613 to melt into our beautiful brown melanated skin. It is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to give you guys a few specs as well as what I personally thought about the wig, and then we'll move from there. And I also have a lot of information about a sale going on that they're having coming up, y'all. You do not want to miss this sale, okay? We're gonna get in that later though. This is what you'll get when you get your wig. It'll come in this bag. You'll get obviously the standard, the bag to store it, to save it and preserve it. This particular one is 24 inches, bust me down. And yeah, y'all see me cutting up right here. I absolutely love this wig, and the customers did too, okay? So if you guys like to see how I achieve this $83 613, then just keep watching. A lot of y'all be asking for like simple tips to install a wig for a beginner if you're not one of those like arrogant Tay type of girls, and I got you, okay? So in this video I'm going to give you a few tips. Tip number one, make sure you have a good quality wig, okay? You see how we have the combs, we have the adjustable straps. Make sure your wig is quality. Tip number two, take some eyeshadow or contour and put it over your bald cap, okay? It will help give the seamless blend underneath the lace. Next tip would be to take a hot comb. Some of you guys be skipping this part and your wig be looking lumpy at the top, okay? And it's upsetting me, my homegirls. Take a hot comb and take your time and flatten the wig, okay? Next would be to cut the ear tabs and make sure the wig is snug on your head. A lot of times you'll see wigs like crinkling up. It's because the wig is not snug. So do your best to cut off the excess lace from ear to ear before you start the melting process. Another good tip I would have is take your time when applying the got-to-be if you're doing glueless. I see a lot of videos of girls just spraying straight across their head. They're spraying too much, and it's not really, it's leaving it kind of crusty. You see someone's wig and the tip of it is like crusty, they most likely use too much product. You want to use as little as possible, but still being very thorough, okay? Another tip I have is get you a wax stick, okay? You can get them on Amazon. You can get them at your local beauty supply. Make sure you have a wax stick, okay? To make sure you're getting that flat look that we desire. And they also help with flyaways as well. As you guys saw here, you can use scissors. You can use an eyebrow shaver. Whatever you do, my next tip is to get as close to the hairline as possible, okay? Even if you're cutting into the hairline like you see right here, that's cutting into some of the hair. It is okay. If you leave too much lace on the end, whenever you make a sudden movement or at a certain angle, you're going to be like, the lace is going to be sticking up. So you want to get as close into the hairline as you can. Again, you guys see me spraying my finger. That's another tip I have. You don't want to put a whole bunch of spray on your lace. Just enough to adhere the lace to your skin. My next tip would be to use your blow dryer on the cool setting so that you can feel when the stuff is actually tacky and dry. A lot of people use it on the hot setting, and what that's doing is essentially melting the stuff, but it's making it gooey and clumpy. I can't really explain it. If you know, you know, but use your blow dryer on a cool setting when doing your wig. You will see a huge difference. Again, we're going in with this hot comb. This is probably one of my biggest tips because as you guys can see, this wig was slightly bulky, but like I said, if you got the hot comb and the wax stick, you can absolutely make it work. The most important tip I have for you to install your wig and to get the best meltdown is to take your time. Everyone's always preaching this product and you got to do this and you got to buy this and you got to have this. The most important thing you have to do is take your time. I promise you, you can buy the most expensive things. If you are rushing and not taking your time, it will show. So if you didn't gather anything else from this video, take your time. Y'all see that melt right there? That's because I'm taking my time, okay? So take your time. You have a good quality wig like this one right here, and you take your time, I promise you your wig will come out looking amazing, okay? Now this tip I have here is just for the 613 wig. You want to wash it in some purple shampoo and conditioner. This is the particular brand that I use, the L'Oreal Everpure sulfate free, and it comes in a set on Amazon. This is just for the 613 wigs. Makes a world of difference, ladies. If you want a detailed tutorial on that, just let me know in the comment section below. So AliExpress is now having their biggest sale of the year. They have it every single year from November 11th through the 17th, which is right around the corner, as in a few days. So if you're not paying attention, I'm telling you right now, November 11th through the 17th, you want to download the AliExpress app, and they will have thousands of wigs that are up to 50% off, y'all. 50% off. The holidays are right around the corner. My birthday is right around the corner, so you know I'm about to treat myself. But make sure you guys download the app. It's kind of easier to navigate the app versus the actual website, so I do highly suggest that. As far as this particular unit, if you're interested in it, you want to use the code MS30 to get this wig for only $83, okay? This wig is from AliExpress Monstar Official Store. This is their 24-inch, 180% density, obviously 613, 13x4 frontal. I will have other codes to other wigs in the caption as well, so make sure you check out the description box below. Add you a little lip gloss, and let me show y'all the final look, okay? Y'all, who is that? She is fine, okay? $83. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Monstar Official Store and AliExpress, for providing this unit, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Now, like I said before, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to their store, their units, and all that in the description box below. I also have a code, which is MS30, where you can search that for other influencer pics if you would like to see what the girls are getting. Here is their AliExpress official Monstar Hair official store. This is where you kind of can explore the other things they have. You can see on the top right, it says download the AliExpress app. That is what you want to do, whether you're on a desktop or your phone. It should take you to this screen right here. And if you look, you can see shop and enjoy up to 50% off. That is talking about the sale that I'm telling y'all about, and that is on the app official store on Apple Store to download apps, okay? I would not steal y'all wrong. Make sure y'all tap in. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.